Hi, this week is Mental Health Awareness Week. My name's Amanda Wood and I'm the Principal Psychologist at Real Therapy Solutions. I wanted to have a little chat to you about mental health. One of the things that a lot of people don't realise is mental health is on a continuum. It's a line from mental wellness, extreme mental wellness, right down to the other end of mental illness. And we all tend to move along some area of this line at some point, even sometimes on a day-to-day basis. So there are days we wake up and we don't feel as good as we did the day before. And that's us moving along the mental health continuum or line. It doesn't mean that we all move into an area where a psychologist or a psychiatrist might diagnose us with a mental illness, but it means we have days where we're better than others. One of the things that we regularly get asked as psychologists is, what can I do to influence my mental well-being and move it up that continuum no matter where I am? And there's a couple of things that I talk to people about. One of the first ones being the art or practicing gratefulness. Gratefulness is a really strong skill and I guess power, because when you're feeling grateful for something, you can't feel worry or anxiety or fear or sadness. It literally blocks those emotions out. So practicing feeling grateful can be a really great skill to do. So how do you do it? So one way of doing it is thinking about something that you're grateful for or that you're glad is there. And it doesn't have to be a huge thing. It might be a huge thing like a holiday you had or a person in your life that came into your life that you love. It could be something as little as a cup of coffee or the sunshine. And as you're thinking about that, go to a place where that was there with you, where you had that cup of coffee, where you're on that holiday, and feel it. Feel what you felt, see what you saw, and hear what you heard when you were there. And just concentrate on that and feel it and see it and hear it. Now, gratefulness can take a bit of practice. It's a bit like going to the gym and working your muscles out. So when you first go to the gym, it's hard, it's difficult, it's sore. Practicing the art of gratefulness can be the same. So it can take a bit of practice, but as you do it, you get better and better at it. So this is a wonderful daily skill that I know I do, and most of the psychologists at Real Therapy Solutions do as well. Just to practice 2 minutes a day. What else? What's another thing that you can do? We talk to our clients and the people that come to see us about getting out and about, seeing friends, family, but a big one is getting out in nature. Nature, we tend to just move through life nowadays, not really noticing what's around us. And if you can take the time just to be present and notice the trees, the beach, it can be at a park, anything to do with nature, can be a really powerful way of getting into the present and again, bringing some of that gratefulness into it. And the third thing is, if you feel like maybe you're not at that level of mental wellness that you'd like to be at, then absolutely seek out some help and support. So psychologists work with people anywhere on that continuum to help move them up. So just giving someone a call, you can go to your GP and ask for a referral to a psychologist, or you can simply just ring up any psychologist and ask to see them and book an appointment. You don't need a referral, and they can help you move up that continuum. So practice gratefulness. Get out and about with friends, family, but particularly into nature, and seek help when you need it. The psychologists at Real Therapy Solutions work with a variety of people, children and adults, helping with anxiety, worry, stress, sadness, depression. We help with social skills, and we also have specialists in trauma. So you can visit our website just to get a bit more information about what our psychologists do. But thank you very much, and happy mental health.